Guys, welcome back, and now we are in media. But first, we've done songs, Bibles, presentation images, and we are in media. And I'm going to show you how to add your media. Okay, you can add a media using your CD, or you load it from your hard drive. And which I'm going to do now, I'm loading from my hard drive, my computer hard drive. So I click on load. Okay, what kind of media do I want to load? You can load any type of media, but in this case I want it to be easy worship. Easy worship. Okay, I'm not sure something here, but let me just open the file location. Just right click on it and open the file location. Okay, so this is the easy worship media. So I have to copy this location for easy access, and then go back to Openlp. So right here, I paste it, search. Yeah, here we go. So let me see. Okay, this is the video I want it to play. So you can see other formats. So I just click Open, and here we go. It's successfully added to my list. So from here I can play it. So that's it. And if you don't want it, you don't want it, you can delete them. That's the way I'm deleting right now. You can see. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Then we'll move to the next tutorial.